Organizers call it the San Fernando Valley's first Battle of the Bands. 7 up-and-coming musical groups took to the stage in Van Nuys tonight. They were competing for a chance to make it big. The winner will get to perform before industry professionals at a major nightclub and gain other media exposure. Tonight's concert was organized by City Councilman Tony Cardenas. The idea to give families something to do and keep at-risk teens off the streets and out of gangs.
Are they assuming that all musicians are at risk, or is this an at-risk event?